Hi guys, welcome to our channel What 3D Printing by Vexma. My name is Compressor Impeller and I'm going to be talking about 3D printed scale models. So now imagine you have a product and you are supposed to take it to an exhibition. The size of the product is massive. It weighs in tons. It is highly inconvenient, and secondly, the shipping and logistics costs are extremely high. So in that case, what would you do? You will end up taking a 2D brochure. So we have a solution for you. So what we can do is that we can convert your product into a 3D printable version. You can give us the scale and the size of the model or the miniature size that you require for your exhibition, and then we can 3D print it for you. We can make sure that these models are transportable, meaning you can use it again and again in different exhibitions, and you can utilize it for training purposes as well. So guys, exhibition scale model is the new age of marketing, and we feel that it is going to benefit you a lot. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a close look at this model that we've made for you.